Hello, this is Sherrell T with Empower to Thrive, where we help business owners create, build, and maintain financially thriving businesses. And this week's tip is from our Empower to Thrive community, and it's a question from Andrea. And Andrea writes, when you own your own business, you sometimes have unexpected slow periods. How do you allocate your cash to pay business obligations on a consistent basis to keep cash flow from dipping down too frequently? For example, I have a business credit card I'm dying to pay off. When business is good, I throw money at it. But when business is slow, I wish I hadn't. What is a good rule of thumb while my business revenues stabilize? So that's such a great question, Andrea, and one that a lot of business owners struggle with. So the first thing I would suggest to you is, and you've heard me say it before, is to create a budget. Now you're probably saying, how can I create a budget when I don't know how much income I have coming in the door? One of the main purposes of creating a budget is so that you know how much expenses that you're going to pay out the door. When you know how much money you're going to pay out, it helps you better strategize on how you're going to get more revenue in the door. The second thing I would suggest is to include a savings account line in that budget. You know, a lot of people, we as business owners, sometimes we forget about the whole concept of saving because we don't have a steady paycheck coming in. But just like when you were working as an employee and they told you, pay yourself first, put that money aside in your 401k or your IRA or whatever your business, your company, your employer had. Same thing. If you open up a savings account separately for your business and put money in, set money aside every single time you get payments from customers. Take a set percentage, whether it's 5%, 10%, whichever percentage you're comfortable with, and set that money aside into this savings account. So when those slow periods come and then you don't have income coming in from customers, you have money set aside that you can use to help pay for those bills consistently and not, get in any type of trouble or situations with your vendors. The third thing I would suggest to you is for that credit card that you're dying to pay off, as much as we all want to do it, don't do it. Unless you can pay it off once, make one payment and it's paid in full, make the payments for now. Just keep making the monthly payments to help you better manage your cash flow. When sales are up and your income is up and then you're able to make the larger payments, you have income coming in on a more consistent basis from customers and clients, then make the larger payments and try to pay it off faster. But while business is still fluctuating for you, I suggest that you make the minimum payment and take that extra money and put it in that savings account. So when times, like you said, when business is slow, you'll have money to help pay for your business expenses. So I hope this tip has helped you, Andrea. And now I want to hear from you. How do you handle your cash flow when business is slow? And what tips and tricks can you provide to Andrea that can help her better manage her monthly cash flow? Make sure you leave your comment over on our blog at EmpowerToThrive.com so that our Empower to Thrive community can benefit. Did you like this video? If so, please subscribe right here on our blog so you can receive tips like these every single week. And don't forget to share it with your friends, fans, and followers so that they too can benefit. And as always, remember to visit us at www.empowertothrive.com to get your free startup success guide and bonus budgeting checklist. Now remember, in order to thrive financially in life and in business, you have to push past your fears, excel in your ability, and soar to new heights. I look forward to talking to you next week. Take care and be empowered.